Are you wondering what to do with leftover chapatis? Let's turn them into 5 delightful sweet treats. First up are Chapati Churros. Cut the chapatis into long strips like this and drop them in hot oil. Fry until golden and crispy. As they come out, toss them in a generous mix of sugar and cinnamon while they are still warm. Serve these crispy churros in a cup and pair with a rich chocolate sauce on the side. Dip, bite, and fall in love with the crunch. Next up is Chapati Kheer. Take your chopped chapati bits and simmer them in milk. Add sugar, a touch of cardamom, and cook until it turns creamy and thick. As the chapati softens, it blends into the kheer. Like soft dumplings, finish with a sprinkle of slivered almonds and pistachios. This comforting bowl of chapati kheer tastes like home in every spoonful. Next up are sweet chapati rolls. Take a fresh or slightly warm chapati and make a sweet filling made from grated coconut, jaggery, and a pinch of cardamom. In a pan, toast some coconut, jaggery, and a pinch of cardamom. Once it comes together like this, roll it up tightly and slice it into bite-sized swirls. Each slice shows a beautiful spiral and bursts with natural sweetness. Place them neatly on a plate, a simple treat with a traditional twist. Next up are Chapati Chocolate Bites. Fold a chapati in half, then again into quarters, tucking a spoonful of chocolate spread in between layers. You can add your favorite toppings like nuts or more bits of chocolate. Lightly toast it on a tawa with a bit of ghee until the outside turns golden and crisp. When you break it open, melted or molten chocolate oozes out. These bits are gooey, indulgent, and impossible to resist. Try them. Last but not the least, Chapati Laddus. Tear the chapatis into small pieces and grind them into coarse mix. Toast the mixture in ghee, then add jaggery or sugar and chopped nuts. Mix well while it's warm and shape into round laddus using your hands. Rustic, rich, and full of texture, Chapati Laddus are the sweetest way to avoid food waste. These are the 5 creative ways to sweeten up your day with leftover chapatis, from churros to laddus. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment, like the video, and subscribe.